Next bout, we've got Himanshu in the blue corner taking on Akash Kumbar in the red corner wearing black shorts.
What do you know
Abhishek,
about these boys, Rahul?
Manan, nothing. These guys are making their debut, and I can only wish them all the best for the bout.
So I see Knockout Fight Club in Himanshu's corner, and I don't know who's there in Akash's corner.
Well, Akash doesn't even have a stance. Oh my goodness, he's going in like a
Oh,
brawler.
hard shots,
You know,
man.
he's running towards the opponent, throwing in that push kick. My goodness, he doesn't even have the. Wow! Wow!
Oh, what a jab!
You
What
know-
a jab! That threw him off balance.
I think that was a jab of reality for Akash. With the way he's been moving, he thinks it's a wow. Oh my goodness! Whoa!
Oh, nice shots! Nice
Two
punches
straights.
from
Whoa.
Himanshu. क्या fight है
Oh my
यार, full
goodness.
power.
Whoa! You know, Manan, Himanshu is more technical here, while
I
Akash is a
think-
brawler.
No, but I think Akash could have a guillotine right now.
Well, I don't think so, because if you ask me, he doesn't have any technique. He's all about power and street fighting style. So
Yes. Himanshu's arm is still inside Akash's arm.
what
so
Himanshu
that's
needs
not
to
a
do is
guillotine.
he needs to go on towards the side control, move towards his left, and get his neck out of Akash clinch or whatever his hold.
अभी इस पोजीशन में कोई भी लॉक नहीं लगा हुआ है और कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है.
मनन, इससे होगा कुछ नहीं. आकाश के हाथ भर जाएंगे थोड़ी देर में, and then we are going to see the effect of it in the later rounds.
Exactly. ये पोजीशन एक्चुअली हिमांशु के लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल है.
पर यहाँ पे हिमांशु को क्या करना है, उसको अपने लेफ्ट में टर्न करना है और उसको गार्ड से निकलना है और उसको अपनी गर्दन छुड़ानी है. सो द मोमेंट ही मूव्स टुवर्ड्स हिज लेफ्ट इज द टाइम दैट he's going to have an edge and get his neck out. Otherwise, he can just stay in there. If it's not locked, he can rest in there.
आप सही बोल रहे हो राहुल. और अब वो लॉक खुल गया है. एक बात बोलूं मैं राहुल, आकाश की बाहों में बहुत जान है. उन्होंने कोई टेक्निक नहीं यूज कर रहे, बस पावर से उन्होंने पकड़ रखा है हिमांशु को.
बिल्कुल. और मनन, यू नो, स्पेशली इन अ हाई इंटेंसिटी स्पोर्ट, ये पावर बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाती है. आपके हाथ बहुत जल्दी भर जाते हैं. एंड हियर इन आकाश, sorry, Himanshu has an opportunity to actually go on the mount position. अगर आप देखो, आकाश का जो गार्ड है एकदम खुला हुआ है. आपको बस गार्ड पास करना है, आपको माउंट पे आना है. एक बार आप माउंट पे आ गए, अपने आप आपकी गर्दन बाहर है.
Exactly. Himanshu could be doing so much more from this position. He could be taking so much advantage of this position. I don't know why he's not doing it.
Well, that's, you know, he's again back in the guard. So yeah, exactly. As his corner is saying, he can probably
He
stand
could
up.
go for mount. He could do so many things. He could pass his guard. Himanshu should really take advantage of this situation.
But even if he doesn't, we've got 10 more seconds. Himanshu still has the advantage because आकाश के जो हाथ भर गए हैं, इसका हमें इफेक्ट देखने को मिलेगा बहुत जल्दी अगले राउंड में.
आप सही कह रहे हो. आकाश की पंचिंग पावर कम हो जाएगी.
देखो. Whoa. Whoa, that was a big Superman punch, man.
आकाश को हमें अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं करना चाहिए. काफी वाइल्ड फाइटर हैं वो. फुल जंगली.
Akash is actually the Superman here. He's flying. He's throwing in those Superman punches. There's a lot of swag. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think what Himanshu needs to. Oh my goodness. I think this is over here.
फुल पावर ब्रॉलिंग. इसे कहते हैं लड़ाई. इसे कहते हैं लड़ाई.
Manan, I don't know what's stopping Himanshu. He's very precise with the striking. He's actually hitting Akash on the chin, and he needs to continue doing this. But he's not, you know, he stops in between after two punches. So from here in, again, they're trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle, but I think it's pretty simple here. Throwing strikes, Himanshu is in a dominant position here.
Yeah, Himanshu could do so many things. He could strike, he could go for an Americana. बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकते हैं हिमांशु यहाँ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. मनन, अगर आप हिमांशु के कॉर्नर में होते अभी तो आप क्या चिल्ला रहे होते?
मैं कहता माउंट लो और घूसे बजाओ, या फिर अमेरिकाना लो, या फिर हैमर शॉट्स लो. बट अटैक मोर. He's not attacking enough. He's just staying in this position.
वो excellent. I think आपने सुन ली हिमांशु ने.
There he goes.
मनन, यहाँ पे अगर मैं हिमांशु के कॉर्नर में होता मैं उसको बोलता जो उनका हाथ आकाश के सर के नीचे है उसको ऊपर लेके आए, and he has to pin Akash with his elbow and then start throwing clean punches, because Akash here is a superman and I'm not sure if he's conditioned like a superman and eat punches all throughout. Well, that's a good reversal, not technical at all, but looks like
Pure
a
power.
back,
Pure brute force.
you know, backyard school kind of a brawl.
और हिमांशु वापस आ गए हैं डोमिनेंट पोजीशन में. बहुत अच्छा रिवर्सल किया उन्होंने. You're right about the elbow being on Akash's face, Rahul, because that will not just open Akash up for strikes,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
but also submissions.
Exactly. और आप देखो अभी आकाश के ऊपर हिमांशु बैठे हैं, उनका पूरा वेट उनके ऊपर है और उन्होंने अपना हाथ दबा रखा है आकाश के सर के नीचे. So he needs to pull his hand out and put it on आकाश के चिन पे and then start throwing punches.
अगर आप ध्यान से नोटिस करो राहुल, वो बीच बीच में ना अमेरिकाना लेने की भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं हिमांशु.
Manan, but I'm not so sure if how effective Americana is going to be for Himanshu, but I think thumb rule, finish the fight via knockout.
Yeah, after all, the club he belongs to is called knockout.
Wow. Well, that's what he's going out for. He's going out for a knockout. Excellent. Excellent. Himanshu finishes this fight via knockout. Was that a code word? The moment you said knockout, he went for a knockout.
I think he heard me somehow.
But again, Manan, Akash can make an excellent fighter. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is round 3. We've got Himanshu in the blue corner taking on Akash, Superman. You know, I like the way he's been throwing Superman punches, and I think in this bout, Akash is a talent which is worth being spotted.
आकाश को अंडरएस्टिमेट नहीं करना चाहिए, ये बता रहा हूँ मैं.
My goodness, you know, that's a brawl. That's a brawl.
अब यहाँ से तो राहुल हिमांशु को पता है उसको क्या करना है. 3 राउंड से यही कहानी चल रही है. अब हिमांशु को पता है कि उसको पोजीशन इंप्रूव करनी है और उसके बाद स्ट्राइक्स करने हैं. गेम ओवर.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. और I think सबसे पहले उसको अपनी पोजीशन मेंटेन करनी है. He has to be pretty firm on this position, whatever position he is in, because Akash is trying to do something but he doesn't know what he's trying to do. दूसरा,
exactly.
हिमांशु ने जो गलती की हुई है, अपना हाथ आकाश के सर के पीछे दबा रखा है. You know, if he tries to pin the opponent with his elbow, it's going to be more effective than putting his hand behind the opponent's head.
I think the reason he's doing that is so that Akash doesn't roll him over. He's using that as, you know, like he's trying to hold on.
Well, yes, maybe he can use it as a pivot to stay in balance, but I think it's going to be more effective if he takes out his hand, tries to pin down the opponent with his elbows and then starts working.
Yeah, and besides, it's his dominant hand. It needs to be free.
For
so that he
sure.
can
That's
strike.
his right hand. Yeah. And I think he has got the opportunity to be on the mount. Just take out his leg, be on the mount.
Bilkul.
Oh, he's got the side control. From here on, Himanshu needs to go on the mount and start landing punches.
यहाँ से हिमांशु को माउंट पे जाके पंच मारने चाहिए. पूरा खाली पड़ा है.
Oh, he's got the mount.
Yes.
He's got the mount. Oh, but he has to be firm on the mount. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the best part for me in the fight. I really want to see Akash throwing in those flying punches. He jumps and throws those punches. It's like this guy is in a street fight. Wow.
आकाश का
That
स्टाइल
was
देखो.
crazy.
आकाश का स्टाइल देखो. स्टाइल.
Whoa! He
Wow.
does. You know, Akash doesn't know how to bob and weave, but he's there.
Ooh, nice punches from Akash, man. That was fun. That was fun.
You know, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy, Manan. Akash doesn't know how to bob and weave. He's just standing there and asking the opponent to throw punches, and the opponent is actually throwing in punches.
I like this kid Akash, even though he's बहुत सारी skills की कमी है, ground game की कमी है, but I really like this kid.
Well, me too, you know. I think Akash is a talent worth being spotted at Amateur Contender Series. And if somebody can actually work on this guy can be much better in the bouts to come. All right, ladies and
the
gentlemen.
fight's over, Rahul.
Well, the fight's over. The fight's over. I think clearly Himanshu has got this bout. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got winner for this bout, Himanshu in the blue corner via unanimous decision. Lot of brotherhood, love and appreciation both these fighters have for each other.